Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. The question says a particle is projected at an angle theta from the horizontal with kinetic energy K. What is its kinetic energy of the particle at the highest point? In this question, the key concept is projectile motion. Projectile motion में a body is projected from from an angle theta with horizontal with speed v. इस वेलोसिटी का अगर हम कॉम्पोनेंट करेंगे along horizontal and along vertical, so horizontal के along कॉम्पोनेंट होगा v cos theta and vertical के along होगा v sin theta. Since g हमेशा डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगेगा, so at the highest point the velocity का सिर्फ horizontal component होगा v cos theta, but at the lowest point again velocity वापस regain हो जाएगी as v. So half of the projectile motion copies itself. Now coming on to the question, इस question में हमें given है that the a particle is projected at an angle theta with a horizontal from the horizontal with kinetic energy k. So k will be equal to half mv square. Now at the highest point velocity का सिर्फ एक ही component होगा जो कि horizontal होगा, that is v cos theta, क्योंकि at highest point उसका vertical component v sin theta को कैंसिल आउट कर देगा gt. So v net will be equal to v sin theta minus gt, and at highest point v sin theta minus gt इक्वल हो जाता है और वर्टिकल कॉम्पोनेंट जीरो के इक्वल होगा. So at highest point kinetic energy k dash will be equal to half m v cos theta का होल स्क्वायर, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं as half m v स्क्वायर cos थीटा का होल स्क्वायर. हमें पता है that half m v square is equal to k from equation 1. So k dash is equal to k cos square theta, जिसमें theta is the angle with the horizontal. So the kinetic energy of the particle at the highest point will be equal to k cos square theta. Hope you understood this well. Best of luck.